Right, so a modern day humane version of Mark Hovell's figure 4 run through rat trap. Now his version, the trigger is essentially the same, but it used a deadfall weight. Now because I can't guarantee that that wouldn't cause suffering and isn't necessarily 100% legal or whatever, I can't guarantee that, so I'm going to do it with a live cage. Now the only thing I've done with this cage is the back of it. I've made it slanted, so hopefully it will sit up against the wall as flat as I can get it. Whereas, you know, if it's legal where you are to use deadfall weights, then you just do this with a deadfall weight. And that's what he'd done in the original one. So, what the intention is you put this along a wall where a rat is running, and then it will run through, stand on a treadle plate, and down the trap will come. I may have to add some weight to this because it's not very heavy. Now, one of Mark Hovell's golden rules I'm breaking straight away, but I haven't got any gloves, and that is keep touching all your traps with bare hands. He's absolutely adamant not to do that. But I haven't got gloves. I'm going to try it, and I'm going to get some gloves soon. So this kind of trap you wouldn't necessarily need bait because it relies on the animal standing on that treadle plate. You could still put bait in there or bait coming through. So basically a figure 4 trigger. I'll set it up and then do a close up. So basically an ordinary-ish figure 4. The only thing is the end of the trigger bait stick has just got a slot cut in it, and that goes for a loop of string there. Takes a bit of setting. Needs quite a bit of weight to keep this one from going off, so I may have to add some weight to the cage. Right, I'll move the camera around. So as you can see, an ordinary type figure 4, but made out of flat sticks, but it's mainly set up so that when the bait stick is pulled down it will go off, where some figure 4s it goes off better, or they're designed so when the trigger stick is pushed sideways or whatever, but this one, especially if it goes sideways or down, especially, it will go off. That is because back there is a treadle plate, so you're hoping the rat will run along, just come straight underneath here against the wall, stand on that, and this will come down. So you can see from that angle, kind of a rat's eye view, how it should look. Come through, along, stand on that. You could put bait on it, and then this should come down. So you should come along, stand on that, and then that'll come down. So the only other thing I haven't showed you is on the back. I've just tied it at the back as well, so it stays permanently in place. So what I'm intending to do is set this out tonight, maybe in the back garden. Can't guarantee there's any animals actually out there though. Let's see what happens. As long as it doesn't just go off accidentally. Yeah, so you could put bait on if you wanted to, or if you're in a country where you're allowed to use a deadfall weight, then you could use that. That's originally what it was. This is pretty much exactly the same, but like a slab or something like that. But the thing is, this is always against a wall, because you're hoping that the rat, because they hug walls when they run, it will run along, get to this, still stay close to the edge, stand on that and get caught. So, like I said, I'll set it up in the garden, and then I may do a future video if I get anything, and I'm probably just going to keep this out till it does get something.